Hello friends, and welcome to Big T's 3-Minute Market Minder. Today I want to talk to you about a story that came across the wire that people are getting really bent out of shape about. The SEC came out and said that cryptocurrency trading platforms must be registered with the SEC. And on this news, we saw the price of Bitcoin slip from above 10,000, got down to about 9,500, and it's trading around 9,800 right now. And you have a lot of people that are deeply afraid that the SEC is now saying that, if you want to work with Americans, you've got to register your trading platform. Now, this is not bad news. In fact, it's really good news. The SEC isn't saying cryptocurrency trading is the devil and we don't want any part of it. They're saying, yeah, you can trade cryptocurrencies, but if you want to work with Americans, you got to follow our rules. Now, as users, this is very beneficial to us because for the first time, we'll actually be able to work with a regulated exchange that actually has things in place like rules and regulations that protect us, the consumers. I mean, right now, working with in these non-traditional exchanges that we work with involves tremendous risk, which is why we always say don't keep your coins on the platform because they can be stolen, they can be hacked. There's absolutely no recourse with any of these exchanges. There's no set of unified rules for how these exchanges are run. I mean, it's really the Wild West. And, we've gone into that with our eyes open and we're aware of it. But, the fact that very soon we can have exchanges that we can trust, exchanges that are not going to run away with our money, exchanges that have insurance policies, so if they get hacked, you don't lose your capital. I think that's incredibly bullish. And the other factor that's wildly bullish about this is think about all of the other investors that are out there that just have not been comfortable working with an unregulated exchange. Now, if you see this proliferation of regulated exchanges, it's going to act like a magnet for all different types of money. You'll see institutional money come in, you'll see family office money come in, and you'll see a lot more of individual investors take that plunge if they can work with a regulated exchange. So I don't think this is bad news at all. The fact that the broad cryptocurrency market is selling off on this news, I think is a buying opportunity. And again, like I've seen in crypto for the last 2 years, the traders can be very myopic, and they have a tendency to look at anything a regulator says. They immediately go and to this, the worst end of the spectrum, and thinking, oh my goodness, the party's over, and they're gonna, everybody wants to shut us down. And I just don't think that's the case here. I don't think the SEC has any interest in shutting down cryptocurrency trading. I think all they want to do is create a regulatory framework that helps minimize fraud and helps protect investors. And I don't think that's a bad thing. I don't think that's a bad thing at all. All right, friends, that's enough out of me. I'll catch up with you in the next video. And I want you to always remember, let the game come to you.